Good morning, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Thursday, January the 14th, 2021. Hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we are at the market here today or from yesterday. So we closed okay, up a few points yesterday. Still green on the monthly chart over the upper Bollinger Band. Weekly chart inside week so far, so getting tight here, right? Contraction to expansion, so we'll see which way that goes. We're also heading into a short week next week. A little bit of a holiday weekend here. We got MLK Day on Monday, so we may see some traders, taking a little bit of a break here, but we're still over 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Seeing if we can get over the wave 5. Now, one of the things that happened yesterday, right, or 2 days ago, is we had that inside day that failed to break down, right? And a lot of times when that happens, we test the inside day high, and that's what we did yesterday, and they ended up reversing off it. Now we want to see if we can actually get above this, make sure this doesn't turn into resistance, and can finish that wave 5 up. Let's take a look at the SPY and see how it's doing here this morning. Again, a little less volume yesterday. Again, just kind of droopy here this morning. I mean, it could be doing a little bit of a bull flag going in today, so we just really have to kind of keep an eye on it, see how the price action goes. We're basically bouncing between signal zones here this morning. Again, we provide these levels to our members in the Elite Access group. And so we'll see what we do. See if we can get over the overnight highs and get into the single prints above and retest the all-time highs. Otherwise, a break below this signal zone right here could see the single prints and then test those lows. We do not want to get below yesterday's lows. So we'll see how that goes here going into today. For the bulls, right? For the bulls. So anyway, good stuff there. So again, we had a trend line up yesterday. We kind of broke down below here. A quick little pop to the downside. So see how these pivots hold going into the morning. Let's take a look at the Qs this morning. Again, a little bit droopy here this morning initially, but starting to perk up here going into today. So let's see if they can get over yesterday's highs. It's going to be a key level. IWM enjoying the possibility of $2 trillion worth of stimulus. So let's see how that goes going into today. And the XLF, of course, has earnings coming up tomorrow, so we may see a last-minute earnings run on these guys. Let's take a look at Apple here this morning. So Apple initially down a little bit here, trying to get a little bit perky here this morning. I do like Apple going into today. I like the relative strength yesterday and how it kind of did that sideways action. So I'm going to look to see if dips are viable on Apple going into today. Tesla. So Tesla, again, was down like 20 points earlier, but now it's only down like 10 points. So let's see if they can kind of push their way up here. We had a 60 anchor to close the day yesterday and see if they can get back up into that range. So good stuff, guys. So far for the that's the free part of this video. The rest of it is for our Elite Access members and Bubble Report subscribers. So I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.